And we'll continue. Relax. Yeah, there certainly was a right crosswind. Yeah. Flaps up, no fuel. Oil leaks, no smoke, low temperature, low pressure. Flaps up, no fuel, initial climb check is complete. And we'll climb it up here.
We're going in the river.
Comms off.
At this
reference point.
I might be able to make the road, I guess.
Oh, piece of cake.
Having fun yet, Peter?
Oh yeah, I'm loving this. Hope you guys are too.